We will know how to create a new account in BitGPT through a simple way and login. First, you need any Web3 wallet, example, Trust, MetaMask, SafePal, etc. We have selected SafePal and will need Binance. First, download and install SafePal app from your mobile Play Store or App Store. Open SafePal. Now, click on Create New Wallet and enter 6-digit password and confirm. Keep backup for wallet recovery and note down the password 12 keys. Now, top up 0.0066 BNB and 44 USDT assets from Binance to SafePal account, which will be required while making a BitGPT account. Now, click on Explore option and confirm dApp Store, and click on Search option. Search https://bitgpt.tech, which will take you directly to the web page, or affiliate link https://bitgpt.tech/affiliate link/refer code, which will take you directly to create account webpage. We will search https://bitgpt.tech and select BNB chain. Now, security warning will show. Confirm. Now, Connect Wallet will show on the web page. Select SafePal there. Click on Login, then click on Register Now. Now copy and paste the refer code from the affiliate link. Now click on Create Account. Account creation successful. Now click on Login again, and account fully success. Now scroll down and click on Matrix. 11 USDT will be deducted from the wallet at Matrix starter slot, and Matrix joining will be successful. Now come back and click on Global Auto Pool and buy the first slot of Phase 1. 33 USDT will be deducted from the wallet, and Global Auto Pool joining will be successful. Now your triple entry joining is successful. Thanks for watching.